Went from being wrecked to a full color change. This is a 2006 Suzuki GSXR 600. There is no damage to the frame or any other mechanical part, which is perfect because that saved us a lot of money. When I picked up the bike, it was missing all the fairings and all the light. Most of the fairings I picked up are in great condition. All they needed done was to be sanded down with a maroon and gray Scotch-Brite. Other parts with deep scratches were sanded down using 180 all the way to 600 grit. Now, this whole paint job was done in a one-car garage in my apartment complex. I'm using a 2K sealer. The ratio on this primer is a 4:1:1. 4 parts primer, 1 part activator, and 1 part reducer. The paint gun I used is a Eastwood Concours LT100. Now, wetting the floors helps you reduce dust not landing on your paint. Before I primer all the parts, I made sure I used a wax and grease remover and also a glass cleaner. Finally, a tack cloth removes all the dust. I'm using an adhesion promoter to all the bare plastics before applying the primer. Now, this primer was laying down really smooth because it was reduced and it was not a lot of major bodywork on all the parts. The tip size I'm using is a 1.3. Color I ended up going with is a 2018 Mustang GT called Orange Fury. This color is a tri-coat, so you have your base coat, mid coat, and clear coat. The reason I chose this color was because I already had this color from a previous job. The only thing I was missing was the clear coat. I already had the primer and the base coat. I'm only showing you the first coat, but 3 coats of base coat were applied as well as 3 coats of pearl and finally 2 coats of clear. I didn't buy a fairing kit online because I wanted a custom color, and all the parts I got were from a donor bike with a blown engine, and all of them were pretty cheap. I got them for $100 and I spent only $100 on material instead of spending $600 on a fairing kit, plus the headlights and taillights I was missing, as well as the side mirrors. The headlights were pretty faded. I sanded it down with 600 all the way to 1000 grit. Then I sprayed clear coat over it and it came out perfect. The three colors I chose to paint the bike are Orange Fury, which is a tricoat. The orange on it has a pearl to it. The second color is a tuxedo black. The metallics on this color are pretty noticeable right away. The third is a metallic silver.